Hi everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome back to the 30-day program. Today we are doing part 2 of the ATEEZ Promise choreography. So let's get right into it. Please have done your stretching and your warm-up and your basic and all that kind of stuff, because again we are going to be using this stuff in the dance today. So if you've already got it learned, it makes it so much easier for you to learn and it's good repetition for your body. Okay, so make sure you've done those things. For now, let's get started. Okay, so yesterday we had finished leaning kind of back on the right foot, the left arm was out, the right arm was moving down towards the body. Okay, so the first, again, we have a no one take you down. Okay, so for the no one, we don't do anything, we're still there. Whoop, no one. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to jump the feet apart facing the front. Okay, your left hand is going to come into a fist and it's going to push in on your left hip. That's where that's going to go. So rather than doing like a hand on the hip like we would do in girl dance, for example, closed fist, okay, to make it a little bit more manly. Okay, and your right hand is going to come up to about shoulder height, or arm is going to come up to about shoulder height. Keep it nice and straight, we don't want tilting arms. Okay, and what's going to happen here is you're going to drop the right arm across towards the left knee, bring it back up and bring it back down again. Okay, the left knee is going to come in, whoop and whoop. Okay, 1 and 2. Now, what we don't want to happen is for the left hip to pop forward. Okay, sometimes that happens when we're doing girl dances, and if your body's done those before, it might do it automatically. So what we're looking for is a straight knee to just come in. There's no hip happening, it's just the knee coming in. If you want to add some pressure behind it, you can bring the hips, like the full hips forward, but don't tilt one hip. Okay, that's not going to, it'll make the shape too feminine versus the rest of the moves in the dance, and it'll stand out too much. So if you want contrast, you can add some kind of like thrusting into it, but very little bit, not too much. Okay, focus it on the knee. Okay, especially as we speed up, if you've got extra stuff going on, it'll get harder. So what we have is no one take you. Okay, so the hits are kind of in between the words. Take you down. Jump the feet together. Now we've got both hands open on the hips. Splay the fingers out wide as they're on the hips. Okay, and again we have it after the, so we have down, and then we're starting to move kind of towards the end of the word down. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're doing a lean, which we just did in basics recently, right? So we're going to be using these leans now. Okay, and you're going to lift up, whoop, one foot for me, and then you're going to lift up the other foot for me. Now we're not going to do these right now, we're just lifting up and dropping, but you're looking for a diagonal line all the way from the shoulder to the knee. Okay, that's what we're going for here. Okay, diagonal lines. Looks a bit funny by itself, but it'll make sense with the rest of the dance. Okay, so lean, so we're going for like land, lean, and then step, lean. Okay, so they're kind of 1-2, like a doo-doo kind of feeling. Boom and boom. Okay, so for the first one, there's no hands, the hands are just on the hips. Boom. Okay, then as you bring this foot down, you're going to bring your left hand to your right shoulder and flick it down as you lift the other foot. Okay, 1, 2 and, okay, 3, 4, 1, 2 and. Okay, one more time. Let's go from here where we were. Take you down, 1 and. One more time. So take 3, 4, take you down and 1 and. Okay, kneel. You're going to take both feet and flick them heels up towards the left. Okay, so you had the right foot off the ground. Sorry for the squeaks. You're going to flick them both heels over towards the right or the left, and then towards the right, and then towards the left again. Okay, your hands are going to be in the center, so you're going to pull them over to the right, the left, my goodness, my directions, over to the left, so they're going with the heels and back. Okay, whoa. Now with this, we're starting quite high on the first one, whoa, so very up on the toes, and we're kind of dropping down a little bit as we go. whoa, whoa, way. Whoa, whoa. Okay? So, let's go from the start. Here we are. 3, 4, no, 1, take, you, down, 1, and whoa, whoa. One more time. 3, 4, no, 1, take, you, down, 1, 2, whoa, whoa. Way. So for way, what we're going to do, I have to move forward a little bit. What we're going to do is slide back on the left foot. So the left foot's doing the sliding and your right arm is going to point. Okay? Way. Okay, 3, 4, way. Okay, now there's a little beat in here and we don't have to do it. You can skip it if you want. I'm going to teach you how to do it though, just so that you have it as an option. Okay, so what you're going to do here for this little beat is just swap onto the right foot for a second so the left foot comes off the ground and then tap the left foot down. Okay, way, dum, ta. Okay, because then what we're going to do is tap the right foot out and tap the right foot out again. And if you've swapped the weight here, it might actually be a little bit easier to do that. But if that little extra step is tripping you up, then it's not easier, right? So then you would just go slide, tap, tap. Okay, but if you can fit in that little extra step, it looks nice and it might make your feet easier to move around. Okay. Whoa, whoa, way, and 1, 2. Okay. So there are arms on this 1, 2. We're going out, out. Now we're not going out and out. The arms are staying smoothly going up. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay. If you want to get a little extra detail again on those feet, you're going to move the heel as you go. 1, 2. Okay. So just like yesterday when we had that drop in and the heel moved in, this is a similar kind of thing. When we step out, the heel comes out with us, it goes in and it goes out again. Okay, so if you're feeling like that's comfortable for you, you can do that. You don't have to, you can just go tap, tap with the arms. Keep the arms steady there. Okay, let's go from the start again. 3, 4, no, 1, take, you, down, 1, 2, wah, wah, way, doom, 1, boom, and boom. Okay, so we're going to step the right foot in front. Okay, and even though our hands were up, now we're going to cross them again and put them back out. And really, really push into that right hip a bit, okay? Don't worry. I'll be. So again, we have that heel coming in as we step the left foot behind. I'll be. Okay, so we're up here. Da, da, da. Don't worry. I'll be. Okay, one more time. Da, da, da. Don't worry. I'll be. There. Just elbow comes down first and the hand kind of waves to make it look like a flowy there type thing. There. Okay? Let's go again from the start. 3, 4. No, 1. Take. You. Down. And 1, 2. Wah. Wah. Way. Doom. And ta. Ta. Don't worry. I'll be there. And the last move is you step the left foot around to the front. And you just reach out your hand. Bialcharambina. Shining like a star. Bialcharambina. So we're just going to make a little shining star with our hands pulling inwards. And it makes a nice pose to finish it. Right? Okay? So that's it. We did it. Let's make it look nice. Here we go again. 3, 4. No, 1. Take. You. Down. And 1, 2. Wah. Wah. Way. 1. And boom. And boom. Don't worry. I'll be there. Bialcharambina. Again. One more time. 3, 4. No, 1. Take. You. Down. tone. 1 and wah, wah, way. Beat and 1 and 2. Don't worry, I'll be there. Be now. Okay, guys, I think you're ready. We're gonna get the music, see how it feels with the music, and then I'll see you guys after again, okay? Let's do it. 3, 4. 1, 2. Whoa, whoa, way. Beat and 1, 2. That's it, well done. 3, 4. 1, 2. Way. Beat. Let's go again. 3, 4. 1, 2. Beat. 1, 2. One more. 3, 4. 1, 2. Beat. 1, 2. Good job, well done. 3, 4. No, 1, 2, and way. Step. 1, 2. Go in. 3, 4. 1, 2. Way. Beat. 1, 2. Okay, let's do one more. 3, 4. 1, 2. Way. Beat. 1, 2. Awesome, well done. Alright guys, well done on your run-throughs for today. Now, like I said before, keep working on today's stuff. Keep going back over all those speeds as many times as you need to, okay? And really focus in on getting today really good. And then tomorrow, we're going to put the whole thing together and practice it all together, okay? So you did an awesome job today again, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!